Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody and welcome to the beautiful city of Rouen. On the left side of the river, you have the beautiful rive Gauche, and on the right side of the river, you have the beautiful rive Droite. Rouen is a city that is divided by this river called la Seine. On rive Gauche, which simply means the left side of the river, you have a more industrial feel, and on rive droite, which simply means the right side of the river, you have a more charming and urban feel. Welcome, and allez, let's go and explore the city of Rouen. On this street is one of the major shopping streets on this side of the river, Rive Droite. As you can see, there are many stores for shopping, as what the French would call them magasins. And straight ahead, you will see the Grosse Horloge, which is that huge clock that you are now seeing. It is one of the tourist attractions here in the city. You can take a tour and visit it. However, my cheap ass did not take that tour. Peut-être la prochaine fois, je vais vous, je ne sais pas. Peut-être. Allez, allez. And here you have the beautiful Notre Dame Cathedral of Rouen. It is so beautiful. However, on this day, I could not get to tour inside because it was closed to the public. Oh lolo, j'ai triste. I am so sad that I could not get to tour the inside. But peut-être la prochaine fois, je ne sais pas. Peut-être, parce qu'il est gratuit, which gratuit en France mean it is free. So you can go inside and have a look for free. And here we have the Palais de Justice of Rouen. Palais de Justice is a courthouse, and a courthouse is called a tribunal in French. As you can see, the details on this building is just so magnificent. Wow.
Votre toast, je peux vous le rendre, Seigneur, Seigneur, car avec les soldats, oui, les toreros peuvent s'entendre. Pour plaisir, ils ont les combats. Le cirque est plein ce jour de fête, le cirque est plein du haut en bas. Le spectateur est dans la tête, le spectateur s'interpelle après fracas. Apostrophe, tu sais ta page, pour c'est jusqu'à ce l'empereur, car c'est la fête du courage, c'est la fête des gens de guerre. Allons, en garde, allons, allons, toréador, en garde, toréador, toréador. Et songe bien, oui, songe combattant, que le noir te regarde, et que l'amour t'attend, toréador, l'amour t'attend. On fait silence, à qu'à se passe-t-il? Plus de crucellation, le taureau se lance en bandissant auditorie. Il s'élance, il entre et frappe, en chevelure, entraînant en pique d'or. Ah, bravo taureau! En secouant ses banderilles, plein de fureur il court, le cirque est plein de sang. En s'essouffle, on franchit le cri, c'est en deux maintenant. Allons, en garde, allons, allons, toréador, en garde, toréador, toréador. Et songe bien, oui, songe combattant, que le noir te regarde, et que l'amour t'attend, toréador, l'amour t'attend, toréador, toréador, l'amour t'attend.
A lot of the times people think about France, they just think about Paris. But France is just so much more than Paris, and you have many other towns and cities that are just waiting to be explored and just get involved in the culture, you know. And it's just so beautiful to just explore and look, you know. Here we are in the beautiful, charming Rouen, you know. I would just like to add that this is by no means a full and complete representation of the city of Rouen. This is just my own little vlog of the city, and it's just my little way of sharing the beauty of other cities outside of Paris with you guys. So I just like to put that out there, you know. Don't want to be sued. Anyway, enjoy. And finally, here we have the beautiful Église Jeanne d'Arc. And in my opinion, this is the most beautiful building in all of Rouen. I just really love the architecture of this. Wow. This is my favorite of all the buildings that I've visited. It's just so, wow, I'm speechless. I really like this building. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the city of Rouen. I look forward to do many other videos with many other cities. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, of course. Have a good day, a good night, a good evening, whatever it is where you are. Bisous, au revoir.